just a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. We are having a salad for our tea. I've made different things. I'll show you the spread afterwards. And I thought I'd make some hummus to go with it. Something is a change. So this is a jar of my home canned chickpeas. I think my American friends call them the garbanzo beans. Now seal, open it up. I'm just going to drain off. Let me move this out of the way. Drain off some of the liquid, not all of it, but some. Because I'm not draining it down the sink because I may need it. I've got my food processor, blender, whichever. You can do this by hand, but it's with like a potato masher, but it doesn't get it fine and it takes a lot of time. So I've emptied them in. If you haven't got your own home canned ones, you can put in a can that you buy from the supermarket. Now to that I will add some lemon. Doesn't have to be fresh. You can do lemon juice if you want, or lime juice, very similar taste. But as I've got them in, I think that'll do for now. Salt, just a pinch, don't need much, and I'm adding couple of tablespoons, I suppose, of olive oil. You can use extra virgin, whichever. That's going round. But if you normally would add tahini to this, but I think it's expensive. Also, I haven't got any here, but you can put in peanut butter. So a nice healthy heaped spoonful of that. And we'll just get it all whisked up now. One thing I forgot, nearly forgot anyway, is garlic. Quite a bit of garlic here, but I don't mind. I've cut up about 1.5 bulbs of garlic, put in different things that I'm making today, because you know me, I don't do just one thing in the kitchen. And that's all there is to it. Check, see if it's the consistency you want. If it's too thick, add a bit of the juice to it. Adjust the amount of lemon and olive oil, peanut butter, or tahini if you're using that, whichever. Definitely taste the peanut butter in that. I think it needs more lemon. And when you've got the consistency you want, just put it in a bowl. In fact, I'm using the bowl that I had the garlic in. That. And there it is. Now I've got no fresh herbs, but I've got some coriander leaf here. I think my American friends call it cilantro. On the top of it, a bit of smoked paprika on the top. You can add any herbs that you do like into it when you're whizzing it up, but that's plenty. And a bit of olive oil on the top of it, and that'll go along with our tea. And when I get it all out, I'll show you the spread. This is a pasta salad with cheese and tomatoes. I made it with also the kefir cheese, kefir soft cheese that I make. This is my last jar of coleslaw that I canned last year. I've added some herbs, spices to it, and a bit more onion. This is potato salad with mayonnaise, radishes and eggs, and this is the hummus that I've just made. So we're going to tuck in now. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.